viewers. I've been out there working on my pole bean tree. Thought I'd try to get around to this cold start on this generator. I've got the air filter took off. And it's been 2 or 3 days since I charged that battery, and I haven't hit the starter button yet, so we'll know in a minute whether it needs some more charging or whether it held a charge. I got a hunch it's dead again. But before I do anything, I took off this air filter. This throttle feels awful stiff. I don't think that's normal. I got some carburetor cleaner here. I want to take that whole inlet off. It's just a Phillips screwdriver, but I need a little short screwdriver. For now, let's just see if we can shoot some carburetor cleaner down in there and maybe get that thing freed up a little bit. Probably won't get in there. Which way is choke? I can't see without my glasses. Choke. I don't know which way it is. Should have brought my glasses. I'd say that's choke. That's off. Just a guess. I need to squirt that stuff right up in there. Flip the on switch and hit the starter button. Run. Is it going to turn over at all? I don't have any gas in it, by the way. Well, it runs on carburetor cleaner, and the battery's got some juice in it. Well, that choke done got tight again. Maybe it don't need to be loose. Well, shoot fire. Yeah, makes sense to me to run some more carburetor cleaner in there. I'm going to go get a short Phillips screwdriver and take that thing off where I can get up inside there. I don't really want to take the carburetor off unless I have to. Maybe we have to get some gas flowing through there. It'll ease itself up. Let's pull it out of the garage in case it makes a whole ton of fumes. And do a cold start. We put half a gallon in there. Don't need to fill it totally full to give it a start. Sure, it must have been a wreck down the intersection because there's been a lot of ambulances in the last 30 minutes. We have a lot of wrecks down there. Now I'm looking right up the exhaust pipe. That ain't too smart. If it starts, I'm going to be smelling fumes. Why would somebody put the starter button right in front of the exhaust?